Russia's military machine is roaring back to life, and the implications for global security are profound. Despite suffering heavy losses in Ukraine, Russia is rapidly rebuilding its military stockpile, demonstrating a resilience that many in the West underestimated. Recent reports indicate that Russia has ramped up production of artillery shells and tanks, outpacing Western nations in key areas of military manufacturing. Consider this. While the US and Europe are grappling with supply chain issues and production delays, Russia is leveraging its industrial base to churn out military hardware at an alarming rate. In fact, recent statistics show that Russia's artillery shell production has surged, with estimates suggesting they are producing over 1 million shells annually. This stark contrast raises serious questions about the West's preparedness in the face of a resurgent Russian military. U.S. Army General Christopher Cavally recently addressed NATO, expressing deep concerns about Russia's military capabilities. He highlighted that Russia is not only replenishing its stockpile, but also modernizing its forces. This modernization includes advanced missile systems and improved armored vehicles, which could shift the balance of power in Europe. The implications of this military buildup extend beyond borders. They resonate throughout global security dynamics. As NATO convenes for urgent meetings and military drills, the alliance must reassess its strategies. The collective defense posture is being tested like never before. The unity of NATO member states is crucial, but so is the need for increased military readiness. The stakes are high, and the potential for conflict looms larger as Russia continues to assert its military might. The global security landscape is at a crossroads. With Russia's military resurgence, the possibility of miscalculation or escalation increases. Countries around the world are watching closely, recalibrating their own defense strategies in response to this shifting paradigm. The question remains, how will the West respond to this challenge? Will it adapt quickly enough to deter aggression, or will it find itself on the back foot? As we witness this unfolding situation, one thing is clear. The world is entering a new era of military competition. The balance of power is shifting, and nations must prepare for a future where security is no longer guaranteed. The globe spins, and with it, the fate of international stability hangs in the balance. The choices made today will shape the security landscape for generations to come.